So here she used glue to stick up all the leaves together. So she stuck up all the brown leaves on the back of the tree to make the stem. And then she used the green leaves to stick up the leaves of the tree. So that is the typical mosaic. She did pretty well. She was proud of herself, and so was I. So you can see how it turned out.
A few minutes later.
So typically for the house collage, we got to use the right side of the cardboard, same cardboard she used to make the mosaic tree. So what she did was glue up white paper, recycled or plain, on the right side of the cardboard so that we could be able to use different shades of color and make our tree. So this is what she's doing now, and we'll see how it turns out.
A few minutes later.
So finally what she did was stick up some already made shaped houses on the right side of the cardboard where she had painted the different shades, the blue and pink. So she stuck them up to make an illusion of houses, and that typically makes a house collage. So that's what she did. Pretty easy, looking beautiful. So she added some sun, made the different houses colored. Yeah, and she enjoyed it. Hope you liked it and learned a few things. Give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't, like and share. Till next time.